What's up, Babylonians? This is your
Shit.
personal. Yeah,
Dude, where the fuck is the retargeting video?
it's not ready yet, dude.
Are you fucking kidding me, dude? It was supposed to go out on Friday. We're sitting on Wednesday of another week.
Man, I've been swamped with stuff, dude.
So fucking prioritize, dude. Vlogs are not everything.
Okay.
Go get it done.
Alright, guys, here's the thing. I've been having a shit ton of stuff to do, and I've been trying to get a lot of my stuff also pushed out. And to be honest, Abhinav hasn't been helping everywhere, and I feel insulted, and it's payback time.
Hello and welcome, good folks, to the Wednesday podcast with me, Abhinav Arora. Today, I have something super essential for the college grads out there. But before I talk more about it, can you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss a video of ours. Now, today I want to talk about certain somethings that are very essential to be taken up in college, because they determine the success of your life. They determine how successful you'll. What's the sound, Martin? Major Martin! Finally we did it.
That was a job well done. Thank you for your service, Major Martin.
Thank you, sir.
Damn. That was hard, but that was super necessary. Abhinav has been giving me a lot of shit since the last week for a lot of different things. And today morning the shit hit the ceiling, and right now it's payback time. I've been asking for his help for something regarding the last 1 week, and he's been just driving me back and forth. I've been asking Varun, I've been asking Shashank, I've been wanting to launch something super cool that I know that all of you are going to really, really like it, but things have been moving really slow. So I decided to come here and hijack this freaking session, and here I am, and here's what I'm going to do. Martin, play the video. Let's launch it.
Most campus ambassador programs are just bull. They're basically marketing gimmicks to get you to promote the company's business, but not the Avalon Meta Campus Ambassador program. See, all of us here at Avalon, we're under 30 years of age. We've been through the entire college shenanigan, and we know exactly what you want, because we wanted the exact same things a couple of years ago. We are creators. We are hustlers, we're game changers, and we are thought leaders. And we want you to become a part of the army. We want to help you do what you love doing. We want to help you leap over hurdles that have been slowing you down. We want to connect you with some of the smartest minds in India, and we want you to become a better you. We want you to become a part of Avalon Meta and be an Avar hustler. This is the Avalon Meta Campus Ambassador Program. Come aboard the spaceship. We have light years to cover. Apply now to join the waitlist.
So are you ready to be an Avar hustler? Do you have what it takes in order to be an Avar hustler? Let's find out. I'm going to be taking you guys over 3 important things. Number 1, the skills that you'll gain by being an Avar hustler. From project management to business development to entrepreneurship, there is a variety of skills that you're going to gain from this Campus Ambassador program. And let me tell you, this is like no other program. It's intensive, but at the same time, it's fun and doable. Second, what exactly will you be working on? Well, obviously brand awareness and promotion. But besides that, you will be deeply involved in your college societies. Your networks will become wider and wider while doing these activities. And eventually, you will end up as one of the most social and coolest people on campus, which is what everyone wants. And finally, the third thing, and the most exciting part, what perks will you get by being an Avar hustler? Well, we'll send you an exclusive goodie box which is filled with a lot of different goodies. And this is the part which is going to be the most exciting one. You will get exclusive monthly hangouts, monthly virtual hangouts with the Avalon founders themselves. And you will get to access their network and eventually grow your own networks. I mean, who does that? Now, how do you apply? Well, we only want the best of the best. We are only accepting 10 positions, literally 10 Ava Hustlers to begin with. And the application process is rigorous. We're going to test you on all levels, on your soft skills and on your hard skills as well. So make sure you go through the entire document. I've put the link in the description. Read each and every page of it. Make sure you're aware of what you're getting yourself into. And once that's done, put your heart out and apply. I'm looking forward to having you on board as an Ava Hustler. And I can't wait to get started on this. See you on the other side. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video and send it to your friends if you think it might be relevant. Until then, Sid over and out.